how to find WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Drive app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option labeled as Backups. And now here, in this section, you'll see the list of all your device backups. So here, simply look for the file name WhatsApp backup and it usually includes your phone number. And that backup contains your WhatsApp chat history and settings. But keep in mind that it doesn't include your photo or videos. So those are saved separately in your phone storage or Google Photo if enabled. And that's it. That's how you can find WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.